creating wall art using the acrylic pouring method. Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, we will be making some wall art decor using the acrylic pouring method. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. This project could be one simple and easy one. For this, I'll be using a pack of 2 canvas that I got from 5 and Below. The sizes are 16 by 20, and we will also be using acrylic paint, any color of your liking, and also some pouring medium that I got from Amazon. A list of all those items will be found in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. First things first, I went on and prepared the station where I'll be working with, and I also placed my canvas. Next, I started pouring my pouring medium into smaller cups so I can then later on add my acrylic paint and make different colors. I chose to use really bright colors including gold, white, pink, and black acrylic paint to make sure that my end result is bright. I went on and mixed the acrylic paint with the pouring medium and make sure that everything was homogeneous. The black acrylic paint mixing with the pouring medium seems to be blue, but I noticed later on it dried as black. I went on and added white acrylic paint to the canvas to make sure that my colors are well incorporated when I put them onto the canvas. For the fun part, pouring the paint, I started with the black paint and I'll just go ahead and simply spread it across both of the canvases and repeat the same step for all the following paints. I found this method to be really simple and easy to do, and you can be as creative as possible. I always love an idea that can be done in less than a few minutes, and I can be as creative as I like to create it. Once all the paint was put in onto the canvas, I then started moving it around to make sure that it spread across the canvases, and I also used the blow dryer to make sure that the colors are spreading and making a really nice marble effect. This canvas transformation is starting to be beautiful. Being able to spread the different colors on the canvas makes such an interesting and effective design. And guys, this completes the idea of creating wall canvas art. I was able to use acrylic paint in pouring medium to make this beautiful transformation, and you definitely can do so as well by using any color of your liking and spice it up a notch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on to the next video.